It's so crazy how the roads get ashy. Like, how that work? Oh, there.
I'm leaving for spring break at like 2 p.m.
Y'all don't smoke, right? Y'all a bunch of herb smoking liars.
Listen, I'm about to do a little Superman fly flip.
Same thing, jump off.
Land.
In the alley, in the air, and I spun to the law, so my grandmama buried the dump. It's about to pray them up, moody above, niggas moody, but a view of the funk.
Respect.
But I do what I want, and I rue what it was later, a looter as such. Confusingly up with paper, I'm shooting ones with the judge. If he sentenced my brother, been with a muzzle, that's from the cradle. So we going to the grave with this shit. Then we join the second line, the ancestors and Anderson drunk alone the second time. Something scary about airing out the shit I compress. The fair getting fairer now, the cost is an arm, leg, and a head. And all bread, the conquest of text, I'm pawning the rest. My bonded partner spawn with dawn in the red. I'm on their neck to my car, party, party the French. Spawn with a few niggas, sparking that.
I think it might be Halle Berry, maybe? Maybe Halle Berry, maybe even like Oprah.
Don't got a job, I only ball off pick six. I'm throwing friction in July, we had shit lit as Christmas.
What's up, y'all? This is TJ, so they call me T-Money. Welcome to my crib.
You want to hear the new song we just did? It's not finished, but yeah. Turn the cat.
Every time I got a camcorder, niggas be expecting me not to use that bitch.
For the one eye?
This one stays open, so I'm kind of cockeyed. He always like his
There we go. Yeah, but that's gonna come out.
You think that shit cooked, bro? It fell on his side and then it fell, though. It didn't fall flat front, bro, but I saw it flipping, bro. That shit cooked, bro. Ooh. Mashallah.
He got an idea, man, that pop art beat is inspiration. He getting thoughts inside his mind, and that's great sensations.
Brown year.
No, not Brown year.
Brown year, goat year.
Bronny year.
55.
55.
Can't wait till I get to my Bronny.
What he said, when I hit my 55th pick, I felt like Bronny. Freestyle from behind the wheel. Wizard on this shit like my name, Bradley Beal.
Yo, the man, we killing shit. Spitting bars, spitting real shit.
Off and don't believe we didn't written it. Pull this lock straight out of the dealership.
Can't forget the family.